Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to add or change your profile picture on Webex. So first, open the app. Now, what you need to do is to click your profile icon at the top left. Next, what you need to do is to click on Profile and click on Edit at the top right. So here, this is where you can add or change your profile picture. So just click on Add Picture. So you can select from Photo Gallery, Take Photo, or Generate Photo. So if you want to select from your gallery, click on Photo Gallery and choose the image that you want and click on Save. And that's it. Your profile picture has been added. So again, just click on Edit, click on Update Picture. If you want to generate a photo, so click on Generate Photo. So you can use or choose another photo or just use the old one and click on Generate New Avatar. So at the top, choose your style. You have animation, illustration, sketch, or ChatGPT. Gonna select ChatGPT. Choose your ChatGPT style. I'm gonna select anime. And as you can see, it is now creating the image. So just wait for it to finish. You can also add prompts in here at the bottom. You can choose a person, a different person, or select from your gallery. Or you can use from the suggestions. Click on show more and you'll see a lot of themes in here. Expressions, you have costumes, accessories, places, etc. So as you can see, it has now created my avatar. If you like it, just click on the check mark, the blue check mark at the top right. Click on accept, click on save, and that's it. So simple. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.